So when you have your photos on your device and you want to upload to Google Drive, or you've sent an email to yourself, download from Google Drive, Gmail, wait for the JPEG to download in the left-hand corner, and then when you click on that, all the way in the top right-hand corner of the photo viewer, open with, and by now you should have already downloaded Gimp, so click on Gimp, hit open, OK, and there it is. So there's some files up here that I'm working on already, and we'll probably get back to this in a minute, but ultimately if you want to edit and enhance, and this is a photograph that shows the before and after, I just want to show you where the drop down menu is, just to get to brighten up your picture, change the color, enhancements. So let's just do a quick eyeball off on that. And if I click on the photograph and I want to duplicate it, in the bottom of your layer palette, so copy, colors. First thing that I like to do is saturation, and the saturation slider is going to make those colors pop. Make those blues pop out. Hit OK. And if you want to really enhance that cool pattern or texture in the wing, you could go to levels, and levels is set up where you've got a black triangle here, a white triangle here, and if you push that all the way to the edge of what I call this mountain range, create a bit of contrast from the background, hit OK, and you can click on the eyeball on that duplicated layer and to see how washed out the original is. So it's so important to be bothered to go into your internet, pick up Gimp for free, go to all of these different controls and enhance for your taste. So if you want to go in and add a few more things here, could be that you want to mess around with the highlights. Doesn't really do anything. Oh, yes, it's doing something. Yeah, it's making the background a little bit brighter, further enhancing the detail in the wing. So I'm using a computer that doesn't necessarily have too much horsepower. So whenever you move these sliders and you're working with a computer that doesn't have a lot of memory, give it a bit of time, hit OK, and then look at the before and after. Now, I went in previously and worked on a filter. It might be too strong, but if that's what you like, save it. So that's the enhancements. Under color, I did levels, hue and saturation, and then the only difference is here I added, if I go into filters, I added enhance, and I did an unsharp mask, and what that did was sharpen all the edge details. Alright, file, save as.